This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Shannon Allen. This spectacular bayfront property has a fabulous open design to capture the unobstructed and impressive bay water views from almost every room. The main level is completely open with a chef's kitchen outfitted with stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and breakfast bar, all opening to a well-appointed dining room and spacious family complete with hardwood flooring, gas fireplace, custom bookshelves, and sliding doors leading to a large balcony. 2 of the 3 ensuites are located on the top floor and both feature spa baths with walk-in showers and glass surround. The large primary ensuite offers a walk-in closet, fireplace, and a private covered bayfront balcony. The first floor includes the 3rd ensuite with water views, a large foyer, and access to the 2-car garage. This impressive waterfront property has direct beach access and ample parking. Many custom updates including a new roof, new windows at first floor, new sliding doors, new Trex decking, new carpeting, and more. For more information, review the details below or contact Shannon Allen at 757-647-3126.